Alright, I think we're live. Haven't been live for a while. How's it going? In case we get a coding game, we'll go with that. Sound alerts browser source is offline. Oh. Really? Sound alerts. Looks like they're all online. What's my sound alerts browser source? Hold on. Should I go like that? Okay. Sound alerts browser source. Let me go find that first. Ba-bum. Sound alerts browser source. Channel. Let's go to channel. Or wait, no, we should go back to where I just was. Hold on. Hold the phone. Go back. Extensions. My extensions. Sound alerts. Okay, so what do I do? Go in here. Go to here. Sound alerts. Open dashboard. I guess that's the only option. White screen. Killing me. Okay. Killing me. Totally dead. Okay. What's new? Okay, don't care. All I want is my browser source, apparently. Dashboard, filter events, change profile, your sound alerts. Go to sound alerts setup. Setup, general. I use OBS Studio. Okay. Implement the browser source. Do I have to click this? Drag and drop the button below in your OBS starting scene. Drag and drop this button into OBS? What? Drag and drop? Oh no. Say it's not so. Bam, 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 bam. So that means I have to go like that with that one. Now where is it? Computer, where did it go? Where did it just go? Computer. Continue to dashboard. I use OBS Studio. Now it's not showing. Oh, there. Okay. You've dragged your URL onto OBS. This will automatically add the link as a source. Continue. Okay. Is that better? Are we better? Waiting for browser source implementation. Bam, 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 bam. Step 2, install the Twitch extension. I did this yesterday. Alright, hold on. Optionally install the sound alert extension in your Twitch channel and provide your viewers the ability to play sound effects. You're a Twitch partner, blah, blah, blah. Activate the Twitch extension. So where is it? I forgot. Is it a component or panel? I think it's a panel. Your extension slots are full. Click to replace with sound alerts. Oh. Component. Choose a slot to activate sound alerts. Isn't it this one? Yeah. Extension activated. Okay. Play test alert. Hey, okay, I'd say it's working now. Let's close all this. Can we go back to business? Business? Okay. Test alert. Go back to here. Sound alerts is in there now. Okay. It's crazy stuff. Alright, welcome back. I'm just working on nebulas. Don't mind me. Just had a bunch of coffee. Just woke up. A lot of stuff to do off stream as well, so I will probably have to take more than regular breaks, lots of irregular breaks as well. Apologize for that, but it's life must go on. Necessity calls me to the kitchen for many things. What a quote. Okay. So this works. We have to take into account, excuse me, the insanity of floating point numbers and using them for things. So. Alright, the code I guess is looking better. So now what was the thing the chat GPT. Apologies for not hearing anybody. If you come into chat, I don't have TTS enabled yet. Again, because I'm still working on, you can see the overlays of 3D star system, but anyway. Okay, so alpha, let's just follow this alpha. And then alpha just gets the intensity, alpha times equals edge fall off, and then it returns like that. Okay, let's try that. Let's try it. It doesn't seem very invasive. So we're going to put alpha up here with the other happy little floats. Edge fall off, that's still the same. Bam, bam, bam. Intensity, okay, alpha plus equals intensity. Increase alpha based on intensity. Color plus equals point color. Increase alpha based on intensity. We can go like that since the comment's right there. Okay, alpha times equals edge fall off. Oh, because edge fall off is there. Okay, but we want to wait until the end to do that. And then this is the last two lines. Okay, so that will be outside. So let's comment this out. And then put these in. And return. Okay. There. And return a vector 4 now. So this will be a vector 4. And then nebula frag. Okay, let's get rid of this. Actually, since it is a vector 4, we don't have to do that. Okay. Otherwise, alright, let's see if this works. So far, no troubles. Oh, okay, cool. So the nebula doesn't move yet. It's the only thing, but I don't see it being transparent. I wish I could draw it first. Hold on, let's draw it first. Let's just go with that. Let's just draw it first. I know. 2 separate draw calls, whatever. So we'll start with 100, and we'll draw 1. And then we'll start at 0, and we'll draw 100. Oh yeah, this is a total recompile. Oh, now it's back to that. It's just drawing it as a circle. Why? All right, I've interrupted its flow here. Let's just. Take that out. So also the time thing. I want to be able to see it. So let's go time times 0.5 instead of 1. Because I haven't seen it morph. It looks completely static. Oh, see, why is it a circle again? I don't understand. I don't get it. So if nebula, what, do we have to go down even more? I don't know. Let's just do that. Nope, it's still weird. It's one of those, I bet you it's a GLSL glitch. That's what it seems like. Let's put the ends together anyways. In a uniform there. Well, I am not sure. Why it's doing that. Excuse me. Maybe just the intensity and stuff's just going crazy or something in those particular instances. But okay, so is it animating? It's animating. Okay, that's cool. It's actually working. But why is it not working the other times? I really want to know. See, these are cool for, like, you know, a distant nebula in the distance, and then I'm giving an animation like parallax included, like in the parallax background. So is it completely hiding stars? It is, isn't it? It looks like it. But not always. See, it's like letting that star shine through. Alright, that's kind of cool. So it should be moving with the movement and stuff. But the only problem is I don't like that it's not consistent. Like, I'm getting a sphere. I'm getting a, not a sphere, a circle. Like, why am I getting a circle? I don't know. Greater than 0. Okay, it seems more consistent now. Maybe I should say not equal to 0. Then we'll get more. Yeah. Okay, so we want it to move with the, we want it to be updated with the speed of a small star, very small star. So like right here, but down here we're gonna go, because it's only the 100 there, and it's the 101st point. So then we want to go space BKG stars 100 dot position minus equals, okay, BKG dx, that's the, okay, and then the size will be really small for those stars. So let's just go times 0.2, I think, because if a size is 1, 0.2 is the smallest. Let's go like that. Oh, right, we did the X, and then we do the Y, and then this is dy. Okay. And then we just need to check, and in the case of this one though, so if, hold on, if x is greater than, let's go 1.5, so let's let it go completely off screen. It's not probably not going to, it's moving so slow, but greater than 1.5 or 1.25, or if it is less than negative 0.25, or if the y is greater than 1.25, or the y is less than negative 0.25. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, this is still 1. What am I thinking? GL point chords. Okay. So if any of that happens, what we need to do is reset the position. Or no, actually, what we need to do is this would be good to do, actually. But let's look at the initialization of it really quickly. Right here, position, color, leave the size alone. Okay, so reset the position, 1 plus get rand x. But actually, here's what we want to do. First, we'll check for x. And then save this for a second. Okay, so if x is off the charts, then we'll just keep the same y. So position x equals Because we don't want it to, we don't want these to recycle the same way. Position X, we're just going to reset. Because if X goes off, then we want it to reset on the other side, but be at the same. Wait, don't we want to reset the X and then Y we want to? Yeah, that's, so it's the other way around. So if X goes off either side, we want to put it on the other side. Oh, so we're even going like this. So actually all we want to do, position X times equals -1. There you go. And then we can just randomize Y and the, or actually we'll just leave X and then, or leave Y and then we'll just randomize the color. Okay, so color equals new random. Okay, good. Excuse me, Y times there, go like that. So now it should move. Nebula movement. Maybe eventually we'll have a few of these. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so let's see if the movement works. It seems pretty cool. Oh, weird. Why is it... Why is the color fluctuating like that? That looks kind of psychedelic and weird, but... What are we doing here? Did I get these right? If X is greater than that, or X is less than that. Is there something I'm missing here, computer? I don't get it. Alright, let's leave off the if statements for now. Let's just watch it move. Didn't look like it was moving to me. There, now it looks like it's moving. Oh, it reset, and then now we got the circle. Why does it do that? It's such a glitch. Totally a glitch. Let's just go if it's not equal to 0. No, it's still doing the circle. I don't even see it. Oh, where has my nebula gone? I don't know. If anybody's there, you're watching Nebula Failure. You're watching Nebula Failure. Welcome to the stream. Okay, it's drawing the circle. I don't know why it's drawing the circle. Do I have to make a whole other shader? A whole, just because it doesn't like a branch? computer. Well, the movement's working. The movement is working. See, there we got it. So if it's over here, it should bounce back to here. I don't know why it's drawn in a circle. That's really frustrating. It's a total glitch in the... I've run across several glitches in shader code. Not in the shader code that I write, but in the shader execution is what I should say. See, like this. This is recognizing the point as nebula equals 0, but nebula does not equal 0. Here's one way I can troubleshoot that. I can troubleshoot it. Hold on. I can troubleshoot it. I don't want to, but I can. Okay, so we want to print right here. STD. Do we have... Are we in... I don't remember what language am I in? I don't know. I don't know. No clue what programming language I'm working in today. Not even a clue. So let's just print the position that it comes up with. And now the way I have this set up is if x is greater than 1, that signifies to the shader, oh, maybe it's right here that's the problem. Maybe it's here that it's setting it to 0 or 1. If a position, oh, because it's, well, let's just look at the position as it's generated. Let's just look. Okay, so we have the circle. So the A position is, okay, 0.22, so it should be, wait. How is it 0.22? It should not be. How can 1 plus a random equal get x? Oh, because that goes negative, I'm an idiot. So 2. Whoops, go back. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's what I've been frustrated with this whole time. Okay, gotcha. Past Jeff, past me. So that goes from -1 to +1. We don't want that at all. No. Hold on. So if we add 2 to -1 to +1, it goes from 0 to 2. So then we also want to divide by 2, don't we? No, we're just wanting to get a... Oh, okay, hold on. So that changes things. That just changes things slightly. So if we want to go -1 to... So we just want to go 2 times that. Because if our range that we want to avoid is -1 to +1, we can get out of that by jumping 2 times that. And then in the vertex shader, if the absolute value of this number is greater than 1, then nebula equals 1. Okay, Jeff. Idiot. I'm such an idiot. Yes, I love it when I say that and I figure it out that I'm an idiot. Ah, so frustrating. Now, oh wait, how is it? Oh, because when it updated. Okay, hold on. The update. When it updated, Jeff. So this right here, if x is greater than that, hold on. Hold on. Oh, it's not going to take much to get it over. Okay. Let's think about this for just a second. Right. So it's just twice these. All right. I'm an idiot again, but I'm recovering. from idiocy? Alright. Possibly recovering from idiocy. Let's see. Nebula. Nebula, come on, baby. Dad wants a new pair of shoes here. And we got Nebula coming out. Oh. Give me the mouse. Thank you. No Nebulas. No, it's just no. It's not a nebula. What if you go off the screen? I'll get you. Hold up right there. If you go off the screen, what happens? You gotta go quite a distance. Hold on. Bam, 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 bam. I don't think it's cycling. We never see the nebula again. Okay, so I think I pretty much screwed this up now, since this is actually okay. I don't want to do this. I totally don't. Oh, we can put it in color. Put it in color. Let's put it in color.a. Hold on, why didn't I think of this before? Hold on. Nebula movement. Okay, we're going to change everything starting now. Starting right now. Because the color is always 1. Color is always 1. A1. Okay. Nebula position. We're not going to need that anymore. That's fine. Color. Okay. Alpha, we're going to go 2. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. How come this just seems so small? Let's just go up a multiple of whatever. We want a large nebula. I'd like a large nebula for a medium price, please. Thank you. Okay, so initializing, we're just going to go with a regular position. So at this point, we're not going to troubleshoot position. So if it's alpha 1, it's regular. If it's alpha 2, that signifies the nebula. Just because I don't want to put in a type and send that through the pipeline. Okay. Being lazy. So after we do that, the update data function now. So position, Y, all this. So then we're just going to go back to 1.25. 1.25. At least now we have been trained by craziness. Bum, 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 bum. Jeff. Okay. So nebula movement. Do we need blending? I don't care at the moment. It's fine. Leave it in. Leave the blending. Let it blend. So absolute value of a position. We don't need that. Now our condition is if a color.a is equal to 2, then nebula is equal to 1. And then we're not going to do this. So just take that out. Else, take that and put it right there. Oops. Hey, whoa. All right. Whoa. Crazy. Okay, so nebula 1 or 2. Okay, we don't have to change anything else in nebula. I don't think we change anything else in here. Nebula draw. Everybody looks happy. Everybody looks happy. Bum 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 bum. I don't know why I didn't think about hiding it in the alpha before. Okay, it actually worked first try. It looks like it's a decent size. Like I could have multiple of those, like on screen. Let's see if it'll loop here. If it'll go off screen and then appear. It did, and it changed color, so it's a different nebula. Although maybe we could. Okay, it looks the same as the other nebula. You know what we want to do is each nebula we want it to be different. So I think we need to use that variable. Okay, let's use that variable. This is going way better now all of a sudden than I thought. Okay, so how do I use that variable again? I forget. Oh, it's not in here. Okay, hold on. Close that down for now. Space planets, we don't do it in there, and we don't use that. Okay, so I'm looking for a particular thing. Shoot, I have so many shader files. What was it called? What did I call it? Hold on. We have to search. Clean up. We have to search. What's it called? I don't think it's in there, is it? Will it show me? Do I have to open this up? Is it opening it up with? Oh my gosh. Computer, you're killing me. A separate instance. What? Microsoft. It's not in there. All that and it's not in there. Not in there. In there? Not. Not in there. Okay. I don't think it's in any of these. Wow. All I want is GL instance ID. Here. Yeah, alright. Vertex shader random function? No. Well, at least I get this. Can we copy that GL instance ID with a capital I, capital D, underscore? Okay. Alright, hold on. I think I can do this. So we want to go out unique ID like that. Then we're going to go, it's an int, but let's just make it a float. Let's go like this. So unique ID equals float GL, GL, instance ID. Is that the one I'm thinking of, or is it vertex ID? Vertex ID. Shoot, I'm screwed. So actually that's, I think I'm already doing this right. I should just ask ChatGPT. GL vertex ID. Now let's see. First point Voronoi. Does that do it? Is the shader in here? No. Shader doesn't use though. PT Voronoi VS and FS? Oh. PT Voronoi VS. There it is. Outfloat fascinating. Okay, so it doesn't use the vertex ID there. Okay. So it sets it float equal to that, and then it just okay, and then that's what I thought. So I'm doing it right. Outfloat unique ID. Unique ID equals GL vertex ID. GL vertex ID. Vertex ID. Okay, everything's capitalized. All good. Whew. Okay, in float unique ID in here. Excuse me. Okay, so now when we draw the nebula, We need to put in, actually we can just put it in the hash function, since it does times this plus unique ID. We'll put it right there. So the hash function is used down here in every iteration of the loop. Okay, so save that. Come over here, save that. So the unique ID is going to go through as a float, right? We're hoping. Then it's going to go in as a float. Going to affect there, affect that, come down through here, all this, everything. Uh-oh, errors. I saw errors. What was the error? Tell me your troubles. OpenGL does not allow C-style casts. Vertex shader line 14. Okay, hold that thought. Hold that thought. Vertex shader. Hold on. Close this. Come down here. Come over here. Vertex shader line 14. Oh, because we can't just cast that to a float? Oh, alright, fine. Let me just ask ChatGPT. Oh, instead of casting it, you just use the constructor. Okay, derp. Oh wait, that's not going to change it this time though. It's not going to change it when it goes to the other side of the screen, because it's if I create another one, it's going to look different. But if I just loop to the other side of the screen, the vertex ID is the same. Also, is that quite enough? It's not quite enough to let it go all the way off the screen, but that's fine. I'm going to call that good for now. So if we want like 4 or 5 of them on screen, we could do variable sizes and all kind of stuff. It would be interesting. So then why don't we do, so vertex ID, that's one way to change it. The other way to change it is going to be, the color is going to be different because the color resets. So let's go into here. Can we make the hash based on the color somehow? We could. Let's just add our color.r plus our color.g plus our color.b. Bum, 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 bum. Let's just try that. There's other ways to do that too, but okay, so now there's what it looks like. Let's just go this way and see what it looks like coming out. It's even morphing as it's animated, so that's really cool too. Okay, so the color's different and the configuration's different. Intensities are different, everything, cool. Okay, I am sold on that now. I'm sold on the Nebula. Okay. Let's just go ahead and end right there and put that on YouTube. I'm pretty sure that's good.